Now arriving at Planet Wild West. Buckle up, cowboys.
Giddy up!
Yeehaw!
Well, all right, partner. It's time to explore this here Planet Wild West before we set up camp for the night.
Cowboy style.
Oh, yes. Here's the plan. We'll get into town at high noon.
Woo-wee! I hope we see a showdown.
Oh, I hope not. That's too lawless for me. I'm the outlawiest outlaw on this here part. No train gets past me, cause I'm the best train robber in this here Wild West planet. First, we'll fill our canteens at the local watering hole.
Yippee-ki okay with me.
Then, we'll saddle up for a sunset ride to the campsite down yonder.
Yippee-ki-yay!
Yes, and then we'll set camp at dusk, which gives us plenty of time for fixing a campfire feast.
Yippee-ki-yum!
Mash! Where are the camping supplies? The tent, the baked beans, the nighttime lights!
Weird, they were just here.
Stop the train! We're unprepared!
Whoa, relax. We can just go get more. Look, there's a general store. Come on.
General store?
Oh! Go? How? We're on a moving train.
Go for it!
Ah!
Geronimo!
Oh. Well, that's one way to travel.
Oh, boy. All this tumbleweeding's really giving me a hankering for some cactus juice. Hey, how about we wet our whistles here at this here saloon?
That does sound refreshing. Well, afterwards, let's go straight to the general store, amigo.
Sounds like a real old-timey good time in there.
Howdy, partners.
Just some fellow cowpokes stopping in for a cactus juice.
Yeehaw indeed. We're definitely not city slickers. We're from the range.
Yeah, the home on the range over yonder.
That way.
That way.
Hey, that's the train robber.
Yep, sure looks like him.
Oh, I see what's going on here. Classic case of mistaken identity.
Yeah, he can't even grow a mustache.
Oh, yes, so true. I've never even robbed a train. Oh, we have fun.
It is the outlaw.
I, sir, am no outlaw, I can assure you.
Let's get him, boys!
Unhand me, you ruffians! Ah!
Don't worry, I'm gonna get you out of here.
Oh, thank goodness, you have a key!
Not a key, a plan.
Oh, dear.
I'm gonna track down that outlaw and bring him to justice. Don't go anywhere.
But what? How would I? I'm in a jail!
All the stuff is mine. All the stuff is mine. Another day of train robbing and not getting caught. That's why I'm the best in the West.
More like the worst in the West. You're coming with me, train robber.
Oh no! I'm shaking in my boots. You caught me. I'm so sorry.
Ha! Oh, giddy up! Here! My friend is in the clink because of you. Justice will be served.
There's no such thing. You ain't from around here.
Oh, you are a bad cowboy. Your spurs are dusty.
Dusty spurs? Them's fighting words.
Any last requests, cowboy?
I hope your draw is as quick as your mouth.
Oh, I've got the fastest hands in the West. Believe me.
Let's do this. pirates. Oh, I'll soak you.
This is for my friend!
You soaked me.
It's over. Time to put you where you belong.
You beat me, fair and square. Right on, Space Cowboy. Right on.
Mash, thank you for saving me today.
Of course. You're my main compadre.
Friends to the end! Yeehaw!
Yahoo!
What do we see here?
Hot Dog Island. What better way to celebrate your birthday?
You know what I'm really hungry for?
Extra ketchup?
Daring escapes, hidden treasure, swashbuckling adventures, pirates!
Pirates?
Oh, well, I suppose a hot dog would do.
Mish, be careful what you wish for. Incoming!
Arg, land ho!
Oh, duck! Whoa!
Oh no! They've stolen Widget!
Those pirates stole Widget!
I just said that!
I just said that!
Stop copying
Stop
me!
copying me!
Can we stop playing games?
Wait, that's it! Can you do that R again?
R.
No, the loud one.
R! Mash, seriously.
You're a natural! With your R's, we can pretend to be pirates, sneak aboard Widget, and get our ship back.
Oh, that's all well and good, but how do we get off Hot Dog Island?
Look! A hot dog spaceship! Oh, delicious! I mean, awesome.
Indeed, and convenient. Would you consider a ship made out of an enormous hot dog safe?
Probably not.
And why are we going so slow? Are you eating the ship?
I wasn't eating it. Look, there's a pirate booty outlet. That's just what we need to look like pirates. Oh, are you ready to get your buccaneer bling on, matey?
Yes, I am.
Your mateys, Pirate Booty Outlet, your one-stop pirate shop. I'll loot up to 50% off. Everything must yo-ho-go. Get hooked on these discounts. Come down to Pirate Booty Outlet. Get yourself sorted out.
Look, those are the pirates that stole Widget.
Arr, Davy Jones price deals. Aye.
Ahoy, mateys. Mind if we taggle Swally along?
Aye, of course you can. Just no hornswoggling, okay?
What's that?
I don't know, go with it, we're pirates. Yar!
Yar! Widget ho!
Yarr, Widget hole!
Arr, ahoy! Who bees the two we sees?
Ahoy! Me be Mash, and this be Mish.
Greetings.
Greetings? Aye, that not sound piratey to me.
It be. Mish, do your R.
Arr! What are those? These be no pirates. Mates, give no quarter to these landlubbers.
What's that mean?
Get them!
Of course, that's what I thought. Take that! I'll show you! Yes!
Take that!
Peanut butter and jelly sandwich!
And I'll have tuna!
Walk the plank! Oh, right. Sorry.
Here comes the fleet! You two buddies are toast.
Buddies? Toast? That doesn't sound very pirate-like.
Never mind, there are more pirates on the way. That's no good.
Souffle! Hey, Mash!
Yeah?
You know that button I said never push?
Oh, the hyperspeed button that you said never ever push, ever, ever, ever?
Yes, that's the one!
Yeah!
Push it!
Yes!
Whoa! We lost the fleet, but now we have these pirates to deal with. Vanguard! Touché! Ha-ha! Bet you didn't see that coming!
Surprise!
Oh!
Happy birthday, Mish!
A most joyous birthday to you.
Indeed.
Seasons, greetings.
We'll repair Widget later. She took a lot of cannonballs.
What the... with the...
I hired Pirates R Us so you could play out your pirate dreams. They're actors.
How did you know?
You only mention pirates every other second for like ever.
Ha! This horse looks like a pirate. Hey, Mash!
Yeah?
This jamming nightclub feels like it's run by pirates, right? Daring escapes, hidden treasure, swashbuckling adventure, pirates! Well, Mash, I say you've warmed my old sea dog heart. Thank you, Mash, and thank you to everyone.
Sure thing. And check out our unlimited shrimp and Shakespeare show, Sundays at 7 p.m.
Cool. I think we have plans. Anyway, let's have cake and party!
Oh, I can't wait to find that hidden treasure.
Yeah, we can use it to throw an epic party. Giraffe's going to be there, bear, elephant. Oh, and you can't have a party without Larry the lion.
And we can stock up on paper towels.
Yeah, cool. Whoa, look at all these fish.
They're beautiful.
Yeah, look, you got your clownfish, you got your starfish, oh, you got your turtlefish here.
That's just a sea turtle.
Oh, and you got your sharks. Hold up, sharks! Oh, whoa!
Swim! Let's hide behind that rock.
Okay. Oh, I don't think they can see us.
Oh, how are we going to get out of here?
Look at that glimmering light. Is that hidden treasure?
Wow, Mash! If only we could swim past these sharks.
I have an idea.
You do?
Yeah, just follow my lead.
Oh.
Come on. What is up, fellow sharks?
Hello. We're just sharking around like the sharks we are.
Hey, I've never seen sharks like you shacking around here before. What kind of sharks are you?
Well, we're not really into labels, but if you must know, we're... Oh, yes, we're antenna head sharks.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Have a sharky day, boys.
Shark you later.
Oh, right.
Pink and yellow sharks. That's new.
Wow.
It's so beautiful.
An oyster and a pearl. Oh, can we have it?
No, my precious.
But what if we were to...
You can't have it. It's mine. Leave me with my precious, my sweet.
Oh, wow. Maybe treasure doesn't always make you happy.
Oh, yes it will. Check your pockets.
I don't have pockets.
No. Where's my precious treasure?
Hey, Mish, maybe we don't need hidden treasure. I already have the most valuable jewel in the universe.
You do? Have you been hiding it in the snack drawer, bold widget?
No, our friendship.
Oh, right. Well, but what about that shiny, golden, sparkly treasure? The kind that lets me totally bling out.
Mish, this treasure thing has really gotten to your head.
Baloney! I want my treasure! Treasure, treasure, treasure! Oh, yes. Friendship. I guess it is more valuable.
Mm-hmm.
I have to say, Mash, the ocean is one amazing place.
It really is. And we sure learned a lot today.
Like having gained a deeper understanding of this complex and delicate nature of marine life on this fragile planet.
Nope. But we sure did learn a lot about teamwork and friendship.
We sure did, friend.
You know, Mish, we never really searched the beach. Who's to say that hidden treasure's only found underwater?
On the beach? Just out in the open? I doubt it.